everyone, in this video I will show you how to complete the gossip stream bubble quest from NPC Bailey J in Heartopia. Let's just go and talk to Bailey J to accept the quest, and after that you will be asked to go to the art street and just follow the quest guide on your screen to go to art street like this. Just follow the guide like this. Once you arrive at the art street, your next step is to find the dream bubble. Just find the dream bubble. And here's the clue. You need to play the piano to make the bubble appear. Simply interact with the piano and play it. Just play randomly and it will work like this. After that, you will see a dream bubble appear above the piano, and then next just break the bubble and done. Like this. The quest is now complete, and okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.